So hi everyone. Got another little video for you. If you all see my other ones on my Pro Stormer, good news. I finally got refunded from them through AliExpress and all. Still haven't received the part for it, but I got refunded. Finally. The part's still out there. It's like 51, 52 days in shipping, whatever. No clue where it's at, but whatever. I got refunded, so that's that. So, what do? Rand got something else. So, what I did is I got the best BST-863 user's manual. Chinese. English, alright. That's what we want. So we're going to do a quick unboxing and testing of this today. Got the earth clamp, power cord. Since I'm in America, I got the American, North American. Let's see here. Foam and more foam. Comes pretty well packaged, that's for sure. Nice density foam. Let's see. We got the 3 nozzles. They're all straight. These do take the same nozzles as the Quick, which I actually have the bent nozzles for, which I will be getting. This is pretty much the same thing as the Quick, just a little cheaper. You can see the base is the same, and this is heavy. Nice and weighted, all metal. The tip holder, nice rubber feet on it, big feet. Slides a little bit, but all right. Let's see here. Oh. Hey, they even included an extra reed switch. It's for the on-off built into the handle. That's nice. A little bonus. All right. So that's everything. Nice flexible silicone hose. Really? All right. This package is pretty nice, that's for sure. Now this one I got off of BangGood. After my experience with AliExpress, iffy. But this was shipped from within the US also, same as that Pro Stormer 2-in-1. And they got here quick. I think it took about 4 days, I think, total. Plastic front, metal housing, built-in fuse holder, 110 volt. Just make sure this doesn't have a screw or anything that. Some of these have a screw at the very bottom of them that for shipping. I don't see anything of the sorts. So, let me see here. I actually got another power cord over here I can just use. Alright. So this is a nice, solid, heavy base. Comes with 3 channel presets. There's a touch screen. Set 300. Let's see. Hold the button down, it's preset. 350, 400 Celsius. Airflow. Just calibration mode. And this is the timer where you can set it for if you want to do figure out somehow here. Alright, well. So let's see here. Hey, I got a working hot air station. Ooh, that's hot. Up to 300 already? Wow. Alright. Oh. We're at the 415 degrees Celsius or 799 degrees Fahrenheit. So it drops it right down so you put it back in the holder. It's pretty quiet. I don't know if y'all could tell how quiet it was or not. But yay. So I'll just fit in. And turn on. Channel 3. Alright, so it actually goes up to 550 degrees Celsius. That is one issue with it, is you have to go through every single number to get up to your temperature. If you actually want to see, you see it's in sleep mode right now. If you actually want to see what your set temperature is at, you just gotta hit the set button. One reason I did choose this, I'll get to here in a moment, versus the quick. But I'm going to show you again how quickly it heats up. We're at 550 already. That's pretty hot. Yeah. Oh. A little bit of a pain, but hey, you don't have to touch it. Cooling back down. And it's cooled down and shut itself off. One thing that really kind of made my decision on this unit versus the quick was not too crazy about the touch button, but I came across a couple of videos on YouTube. It's who did one? The first one I came across was VoltLog, and then I came across. Sorry. Hey. Sorry, my dog's in the room. And then I came across the it's actually a guy, he goes by RandonHacks. He's got his YouTube videos, but he's on Tindy. And he actually sells a kit that replaces this touch screen here. Sleep mode, memories, all work as normal. He's done some upgrades to it where if you hold down the up or down buttons, the temperatures will jump by like tens. The beep, which is kind of annoying, is a lot quieter. Some people have taken these apart and like hot glued the piezo tweeter in there and that. But the big thing is his kit, you install two potentiometer knobs here. One's temperature, the other is airflow. You just turn it and adjust your temperature real quick. That's really my deciding factor on why I went with this unit. For anybody that's watching this video, if you have a BEST and you're interested in checking out his kit, it's RandonHacks on YouTube, or RandonHacks on Tindy, Tindie. But for people who've seen or watching this video and they're interested in getting his kit, You'll be able to use the code 100FFKL for 10% off. It is doing a limited amount of them. And the offer is good through March 31st of 2023. So if anybody's interested and they like that kit, go on and check out his kit, see if it's definitely something you're interested in. If so, go ahead and use that code. I'm going to pretty much stop this video here for right now. I'm going to get this set up here at my workstation. And then I'll come back with another video of me actually testing it out, removing a couple of chips, some capacitors or something. I've got some boards, some scrap boards here I'll just practice on, let you all see. But until then, thanks for watching, and I will put the link to his website for RandonHacks, as well as the code. I'm not getting any money for it. I would get 10% off too. I didn't get any free kit or anything, so I'm not making any money off of this or anything. Just seems like a great kit, and it seems to make a better unit a little nicer. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.